Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to enable and disable noise cancelling mode on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And for that we are gonna need the Galaxy Wearable app. Just launch it and make sure that your earbuds are connected to this app and to your phone. And here you would see the name of your device and the battery percentage. Now right in the first tab you can see 4 modes including active noise cancelling. To use it, there is not enough to just tap it because we would need to put both earbuds in the ears like that, and now we can switch to the active noise cancelling. So here after that we can adjust the active noise cancelling level. Just tap on the minus or plus to adjust the setting. And if you want to go back to the off, for example, you just need to click it so it will become blue like that. Now let's discuss what this mode means. So ambient one allows you to hear ambient sounds without removing your earbuds, which is really useful in the city or during a walk. Adaptive mode automatically adapts to your activity and surroundings. And finally, noise cancelling turn on for total immersion in music or an important call blocking out outside noise. So another way how to switch between modes, you can just use the speech and hold gesture like that. For that you will need to put in your earbuds and now just pinch and hold and it will switch you to the active noise cancelling. You can also switch to the adaptive mode or ambient sound or turn everything off. To manage those modes you will need to go in the earbud controls and here for the left choose switch noise controls and here select modes. You can just remove the check mark or add one. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.